Today is January the 23rd, 1-23, and our title is Puff Cloud N. Puff Cloud N. Okay, let's go ahead and get our books opened up here. Looks like I'm going to come up to the top here. 1/23, there's the date, and let's get started. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with a very simple box. Okay, just a rectangular shape, very light, no big deal, just like that. Okay, and what I'm going to do next is I'm going to bring in a line on the left, on the bottom, about halfway up, and come over from the right about halfway down. Okay, so basically it's dividing it into a third. If I put my finger there, 1, 2, 3. Okay, 3 sections. Alright, so what I'm going to do next is from this point I'm going to angle this down like that. And then from this point up, the same way I angled this like this, I'm going to angle this up this way. And as you can see, I've got my N already. Okay, if you want it skinnier, make it skinnier. You can shave some off the edge there. If you don't like the size, get it how you want it. Okay, do it very lightly though, because you're going to wind up erasing a lot of this. Okay, go ahead and erase all your edges that you don't need. Okay, so anything that's not part of the actual N. Okay, and next I'm going to go through and I'm going to just lighten this N up a little bit, because I'm not going to need these lines really dark. I'm just going to need them to kind of see where to go. So I'm just lightening all of this up like this, so I can still see it, okay, a ghost of it, like a shadow of it, but I don't need all of it. So to do your puff cloud, we've done this many times, you're just going to follow along that line that you can barely see, and you're going to make some curves. Okay, large ones, small ones, all different sizes, and they can just be crammed together by following that line. Okay, all the way around. And up here. Alright, and there you have it. There's the puff cloud part. Go ahead and go back and check and make sure you've erased any lines or marks that you don't need. So if you can see that little line still, go ahead, get in there and get rid of that. Don't need to see it. And let's do some shading and we'll be done. So we're going to turn our pencil on its side and use a circular motion to make this texture. Okay, so I'm going to start on the left. I'm going to start dark all down the left side. And as I move over to the right, I'm just going to lighten it up. Just push a little bit lighter. Okay. So I've got this here, I've done that. Next I'm going to put a little bit right here down this bottom left side in this area. Again, on the side of your pencil, circular motion. Give it that cloudy look. Okay, there. And one more spot is going to be right up here. Here we go. From here down. Okay, and there you have it. There is your puff cloud N. I'd like you to make one of these today. Please make sure you watch your proportion, that things are equal in size, that you erase any lines or marks that you don't need, and you should be using your pencil on its side in a circular motion to create a cloudy type texture.